welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week I have had a little bit of an issue. So I am actually in the process of editing one of Guy's videos for his presentation, and that has just completely chewed up all of my time that I would normally spend on creating a video for you guys for a Sunday. This is a little bit of a winging it video. I feel so bad because normally I'm so good at like prepping and planning, and yeah, this week it's just kind of gone to pot. My attention has been elsewhere, so I'm so sorry. However, I have actually got to do my hair before I go down to Lympstone on Wednesday next week. So when I had my hair done a few weeks ago, I actually had it cut and I had like kind of like a rose goldy colour put on it, but that colour is like a semi-permanent and it's completely faded with all of this sunshine that we've been having. It's pretty much gone. I've got like a tiny little tint left, so I'm gonna try and recreate that at home. A few days before my husband's big presentation at work, I'm going to dye my hair pink. This is not a stupid idea, is it? No, of course it's not. It's going to work. So I'm going to show you how to dye your hair kind of like a pastel-y pink. I'm gonna say kinda because that's what I'm hoping it's gonna turn out like, but it's, yeah, I don't know how this is gonna roll today. So you guys just feel free to make yourself a cup of tea or a cup of coffee for me please, and sit back and watch my hair disaster unfold. So I have been doing a lot of YouTubing. I have been researching how to do this. It seems easy, but we shall see. So the colour I'm going to be using today is called a Virgin Pink, and it's by Arctic Fox. So let me just do my whole like YouTube-y blogger thing. There you go. So that is Arctic Fox Virgin Pink. So it says on the back, no peroxide, no ammonia, no ethanol alcohol, no PPD, vibrant colours with added conditioner, vegan, not tested on animals, which is great. So that's Virgin Pink. I'm only going to use a really small amount of this because it is just so concentrated and it's so bright. Some people use this straight out of the bottle onto their hair. I won't be doing that today. I'm going to be diluting it down, and I'm going to be diluting it down with this huge bottle of Tresemme conditioner. So I got this one, it's 900 mils. I got this one from B&M and it was like £2 or £3. You just need a conditioner that is white, so it's got no colour in it whatsoever, so you can mix it down with the Virgin Pink or whatever colour that you choose to do. So it just dilutes it down, makes it a little bit more sort of like pastel-y, and yeah, fingers crossed that this is going to work. I keep saying fingers crossed. I'm positive this is going to work. Because it's such a strong dye as well, even though you are diluting it down, I would also recommend using rubber gloves. Just wearing these protects your hands, protects your nails. If you're anything like me, it doesn't really matter because my nails look rubbish anyway, but if you've got like a really nice manicure, just protecting them from the colour is always a good idea. So let's get cracking. So let me show you guys what my hair is looking like at the minute. Let me just take this band of death off. Right, oh, okay, so this is, so I've got roots up here, but then these are intentional roots, just because I don't like colour all the way to my scalp, because then I get that horrible sort of line of brown of my original colour coming through, so it's kind of blended slightly. And then I had the blonde sort of brought a little bit further up, so I've got quite a lot of blonde. Kind of a little bit warm as well. It's got a warm colour to it. So originally my plan was to mix Virgin Pink with a colour by Arctic Fox as well called Cosmic Sunshine, I think it's called. And that kind of makes the, oh god, look at the state of my hair. That kind of makes the colour a little bit more of a peachier colour. But because my hair has already got like quite a lot of warmth in it, I'm just gonna roll with the pink, and then hopefully I'm gonna get that kind of rose goldy look again. I want it subtle, but I want it noticeable. So let's get to the kitchen, let's mix this up, let's get it on my hair before Ava wakes up from her nap. Okay guys, so this has been on my hair for around about 40 to 45 minutes now, so I'm just gonna rinse it off. I am going to wash it with just like cold water. I'm not gonna wash it out with any kind of shampoo or anything like that, but yes, cold water for any kind of vibrant colour that you do have on your hair. They do say it's best to wash your hair with cold water or cool water. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so that is the colour off. I am still whispering because Ava is still asleep. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to blow dry my hair just yet, but I will be able to kind of show you the colour now. But my hair's wet, so just remember that. I've not seen it yet either, so... Okay, so let's just remember what we were aiming for. We were aiming for rose gold, but I don't think it's going to be rose gold. I think it's going to be really, really pink. Let's have a look. Okay. That's okay. It's quite pink. Let me just pull my blind up and I can have a look properly. Okay, yeah, that's pink. And that's dark as well, so it's only gonna get brighter. Well, I kind of like it actually. I kind of like how pink it's gone. It's not like cotton candy pink, it's like kind of like a darkish pink. It'll be fine, it's only semi-permanent. I will wait until Ava wakes up and then I will blow dry all of this and I will see what it looks like. Okay guys, so as you can see, this might be a little bit too pink. This is really pink and it's not taken all the way through as well, so it's so soft though, but it's not actually like taken all the way through my hair, so there are parts of it where it's like still a little bit sort of paler and like other parts are like darker pink. So I'm gonna have a little sit down, I'm gonna have a think, and I'm gonna see what I can do with this, maybe to turn it a bit more sort of corally rather than Frenchy. This is turning out to be more of a vlog than a how-to, but yeah. Let's roll with it. We've still got a few days before pass out. And it might not be this pink by then. I'm gonna suss something out after I've done Ava's dinner, and I will get back to you guys tonight. This is actually turning out to be like a day in the life video. Okay, right, so hair update. Right, it's so dry now, it's so dry. Okay, I've just shampooed it like 5 times in a row, and now it's like super, super knotty. I have washed it in super, super hot water as well. You're not supposed to do that with this type of color. I told you earlier on, don't do it because it makes it fade. Obviously, fading is what I want because I'm not really sure about this color. It's just kind of like a weird pink, and I need to sort it out. So I'm gonna try and maybe go for more of a kind of like peachy color. Peachy tones kind of tend to suit me better because I've got a warm skin tone. So oh guys, okay, wish me luck. I am debating whether or not to do a sunset orange, which is this one here. I don't know. I've got enough Tresemme shampoo, I've got enough Tresemme conditioner to do probably a couple more tries, and I don't really want to do it 2 more times. So I need to get this colour right. So I am aiming for like a corally peach. I just want something that's going to fade out, but fade out to a nice colour and not be like patchy and horrible. And this at the minute is just like too pink for me. I need more warmth in it. I thought my hair would come through more in it, the shade of my hair, but turns out not. It's just gone pink. So yes, I am going to have a little play around with some colours, and I will keep you updated. The time is 6:10 in the evening, so hopefully I will get this done before she goes down. So I have just made up this colour here. So this is a diluted concoction of virgin pink, cosmic sunshine, and just the tiniest amount of sunset orange. So this is like a kind of peachy corally colour, and I'm really hoping that my hair's going to take to it. Obviously, because the pink's already on my hair, I don't really know how it's going to turn out, but this seems to be a day of trial and error. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. So that is the second colour now on. I'm going to leave that on again for around about 45 minutes to possibly an hour because it's got a bit more work to do. I didn't film it that time just because Ava is actually in the shower, so I didn't want her naked butt in the background, but I will, yeah, I will let you know what it looks like when I've washed it off. Alright guys, I give up. I am admitting defeat. So I have just put on that colour, I have left it for a while, and it's just gone so red. It's gone a lot redder than I thought it would. But that's okay, because it'll fade. It's only semi-permanent. It's literally going to last about 30 washes tops. And I've been red before, so it's not like it's a completely new colour for me. I can't help but think this was a bit of a failed video, but sometimes you just have to take the rough with the smooth. And lesson learnt, I think. Okay, so if you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. I can't guarantee there'll be more videos like this because I don't really like dyeing my hair and getting it wrong over and over again. So this could just be a one-off. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next week. Ava, are you going to say bye-bye? Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. See you soon.